10, 20, 25. We're at downstairs unit. One of the bedrooms, the sliding door has like a plastic wheel at the top, and it always falls off the railing. So the question is, if you push it to the right, then the track is okay. But the minute it falls off, then it's heavy. There, it just fell off. So why does it always fall off? That's the question. So is the ball bad? This one's doing good. It's the inside one. So why is this always falling off?